Guys, we're back. Today we're checking out the Kayo Bull 125 and the Predator 125. Basically the same unit, just different bodies on them. Pretty solid units all the way around. A lot better than like the Apollos or lower end Taos or Coolsters. These have cap bushings on the A-arms, a higher end motor, better filtration on it. This unit's got forward and reverse. Biggest thing on these that we see, which a lot of brands, is that they're geared pretty high. So one of the things you can do is change your sprockets, which we did on this one here. So it came stock with a 13, so we went to a 12 tooth here, and then around back, stock is a 37 on the back. We went to a 30, or this is a 49, so pretty big difference. Did have to bend down the guard to clear the chain. Not a big deal, but a pretty drastic difference. Top speed on this guy now is about 20 to 22 miles an hour. Not sure what stock is, probably a lot higher than that with the 1337, but it makes a huge difference when you take off. Same mods can be done to this one. A little more room to work on everything on this model. We also did a different carburetor on this one. Kind of hard to see in there, but it's a fully tunable carb. It's actually this carburetor here. Bolts in the same. You can use your same air filter. This one's got the mixture screw, a shimmable needle. Does have a hand choke on it. A little tough to reach on the Bull, but it can be done. But a lot more room to reach it on the Predator 125. We'll have Bryson go ahead and fire this thing up and take it for a little rip. A lot warmer starts with the new carburetor, and it's fully tunable. You can also use the key and jets on it because our carburetors are rebranded out of the key and factory. If you got any more questions, send us an email and we'll help get you what you need.